Hi everyone, Joe G here, Uscreen Product Manager. Today I'm excited to tell you about the new Calendar on Web beta release. We want to empower you and your mobile audience to see a predefined schedule of videos and live events right on the iOS and Android mobile apps and now right on your web browser. This is a great way to keep your audience engaged, and it will encourage your audience to return to see the latest and greatest scheduled content that you have. It also helps your audience understand what to watch and when, especially if you have a large catalog or members who don't know where to start. Calendar is a great tool for fitness, e-learning, and entertainment scheduling, and it's a great retention and engagement tool. Calendar is in beta, and this means that the calendar is an early release feature. You may optionally enable it. Right now, we're still adding functionality and making refinements, but we also want to give you early access as soon as possible, since we know that you and your audience will benefit from this tool now. Beta also means that we want your feedback, so please share your calendar-related feedback as a feature request or with your friendly customer success manager. Calendar is here on the left menu under Content. Calendar is only available for Plus accounts since it is an advanced and robust feature. So if you are on a basic, pro, or growth account, you may see a screen that looks like this that says, hey, contact Uscreen in order to see the new calendar. If it's your first time going to the Calendar tab here in Content, you may see a screen that looks like this that gives you a quick overview, and then you press Add to Calendar to see the full calendar experience. You can optionally enable calendar right here. Now, one note about calendar is that it does require the app version 3.11 or later, and when you enable it, it will automatically show here as a tab on your phone. I have my phone here connected to my computer, and when enabled on the next launch, the calendar tab will automatically show. This is what the calendar on web will look like. There is a new calendar navigation item here, and you may need to double check your navigation in your theme to ensure that calendar appears in your navigation so that the calendar appears on your website. As a store admin, you can add one or multiple videos to the calendar right from this screen. So you can select a date, select the videos that you would like to add to the calendar. You can also search for videos and then save, and then these show on the calendar. To show you that again, you can click to add on the calendar, select the videos that you want to add, and then press save. Live events automatically display on the calendar since they are already associated with a date and time. And you can see I have my red live events here on the calendar already. Scheduled videos automatically display on the calendar as well. You can see here I have a video called Hurricane, and this video is scheduled to be published on the 11th, and this automatically shows on the calendar. Now let me show you what an audience member will see. Here in the website, on the calendar tab here, this is the agenda view and list of predefined videos. So there are 2 videos on August 9th, 10th, etc. Here's a scheduled release video that's coming out at the end of the week. And as I scroll, you can see the live events that I also have scheduled. An audience member can, from the calendar, view these particular videos so that they know what to watch on what particular date. And this is what live events look like. You, of course, see the countdown and can decide if you will pre-register for the live event. This is what a future scheduled video looks like on the calendar. When you go to one of these scheduled videos, you see a countdown. This video is going to be published in 1 day. This is the first time at Uscreen where a future scheduled video now has a page and a link associated with it. An important note is that this video does not appear in the catalog. It only appears on the calendar as a future scheduled video like you see here. Furthermore, audience members can add videos to their own calendar. From the catalog and from any video, there is a new button that will allow an audience member to add a video to their calendar. And for example, let's say that I want to watch this particular video on the 13th, add to my calendar. And now when I go back to the calendar, I can see here that I added this video on the 13th. This is a great way for audience members to build their own schedule of videos to watch, in addition to the scheduled videos that you as an admin make on your calendar. Now let me show you what calendar looks like on the mobile apps. So on the side of the screen, again, I have my mobile device right here. There is now a calendar tab that you see at the bottom of the screen. And on this calendar tab, you default to see this month view, and you can swipe up to see a week view of the calendar. You can, of course, switch between dates, and these little dots on the calendar indicate videos that are associated with those dates. And then right from the calendar, you can choose to watch one of these videos. Live events automatically appear on the calendar, and we get this nice countdown. And any videos that are scheduled in the future, here's that hurricane video that's scheduled to come out later. If you try to play that video, the audience member just sees, oh, this video is available in a few days. Just like on web, audience members can come to a particular video and they can press those three dots there and add a particular video to their calendar on a particular day. So in this particular case, I added this tree and shadow video to my calendar. And I, of course, now see that video on my calendar here. Again, a way for your audience members to build their own schedule of videos to watch. So this is the new beta calendar feature that you see on web and on mobile. Remember that calendar is a tool to empower you and your mobile audience to see a predefined schedule of videos of live events in addition to your existing catalog and collections. Since this is a beta, we are still working on refinements and improvements. Remember, calendar is a powerful retention tool to show the latest and greatest schedule content that you're making and create anticipation for your audience for the future content that you have coming out. It'll also help your audience understand what to watch and when. So please share your feedback, and I hope that you enjoy this calendar beta. Happy Uscreening.